nonsense. Let's run this place.
Why okay, what is it? What happened?
Mama,
explain yourself.
Can you imagine? That old fool! That old fool was there supporting them just because he was bribed.
Hi, Solomon. Solomon, the wise king. I thought God gave you wisdom to judge such cases. Manana, not to worry. I know what to do.
Wait. How do you know he was the one?
Why wouldn't I know? The minute you mentioned one elder being difficult, it had to be him. He had always supported Ife even before he died. So Mother need to read what he can do.
Look, now, I don't care. I don't care. Head to run that place. Head to run. Let me just get back there again.
Okay, one man ahead to roll. Eh? Okay, roll. Yeah, roll. Nah. I was in the work and naturally in the area. Oh, you man, like me, we don't need it.
So it is time for you to go back where I brought you. No. I will have to take you back myself to ensure your safety. No. I want you to go back. Because you have made me to stop helping those that I care for. I am a generous person by nature. But look at me. I can't help anyone. And it makes me feel bad. What then should I do to make you go back? Agreement. Who then will be the sacrificial lamb?
I wonder why you're choosing not to tell your son the truth. You keep on lying to him every time. You forgot to tell him how the land is. You know, maybe even so. Please, I will suggest
Well, for your information, I know all that transpired over that land. That land is on a strategic position, and I need you both to help my son to recover that land. The land rightfully belongs to him, Pico. And near for about the Amaka. He's not asking for too much.
That the land is strategic does not mean it's your own land. And the matter is a big one because it has to do with land.
Uchechi, our hands are tied. Makokwana.
I don't understand. I mean, what's the difference?
Uchechi, Kenke Otara. When judging over a land dispute, wrongly, you be careful. Your generations, the unborn ones, will suffer it. You see? It's very bad for you to be a first witness to a land man or bronking. Everything you do is in the land. Only in our honey, the food, the water, everything is in the land. So I will suggest that you let the land go. Or bronking go. So because please, the man of that fiaro, one is obane, but the one is jologo. I fiara for. So please, I can't make it happen if I could do because please.
Our wife, why not advise your son? He should not be fighting a fight that is bigger than him. Now. He should not fight such fight ignorantly. Makando kwa. Ha.
Uchechi.
Anyị bịakwala ụwa, anyị ga-anwụ rapụkwana. Biko, it's a big fight. Aka m adọrọ ọkụ ya.
But why will Ngozi say that, do anything or anything like that? The land, Uchechi, I will personally support her. The land belongs to you. Let's sit down. Call me anytime, any day. I will be there for you. Please, can I have a good orgy?
No. Mama. The orgy is meant for you.
No, the land is yours.
My father was okwu nwanyị lani nwanyị. Nwanyị ka ibie, nwekwa nwanyị ka nwoke. I have only soup, tennis bottle phone. Ogili nji wee tie. Hey, inu isie.
This man agụ.
Ọmụmụ agụ na deji nwoke ọcha. Solomon.
Bring the onugbu, please.
Mana akpili ga-etoka. Feni ni na-eli n'ụwa na ka ịra. Ndị nwe na-eli ọ na-apụta. Oke ndo. Ọsọgbuo ya. Ya alụ. Ka nje weta ofe onugbu nji ogili wee si. Ụmụ ọchụ. Ka ha na-asa.
We also take I will stand there. Anybody you think about why I want
that woman is wicked. Let me see how she will enter that land again.
Mama, my happiness now is Obiora knows the truth. But why will someone set confusion in the midst of lovable kindred like this?
I dare her to step her feet into that land. If she is not scared, then she will see the result. Nonsense.
Right. Let me go and prepare dinner.
Please do.
Did anybody say anything?
No.
Better.
But I'm hungry.
Mama, things have not been well with us. My husband is justly struggling with his business. Come on.
Okofola kokuzilu chokode. Nki odiziche. Eh?
Mama,
Bagojukwa amanya o.
Do you know they even sell at same line? My husband is not finding it easy at all. Mama, do you know that Chukwudi is the one giving my husband money sometimes to balance his account and even buy some goods? Is that bad though?
I know Chukwudi to be a good boy, eh? But this constant fight between him and Anayo is what I don't understand, eh?
Mama, all I know is that Chuku, they have a good heart. One day, they will come together and team up again. Chuku Olisabinigwe Kanayo, eh? I can't wait for my sons to be back together again so that we can start living in peace as we used to.
Mama, we will. God will do it for us.
Mama,
help me package some things now.
When he comes back, he will do that for you. Oh?
Okay. Mama, again kissing. What is in the kitchen?
It's again.
How did you cook, Mama?
Because na plantain na na cook ibulije while I'm not.
Mama.
Do you have enough vegetable?
Mama.
Oh yeah.
Okay, Mama. Mama, the name that I'm not a married man. Not doing me as if I'm still single.
What did you say? Come on to the kitchen. Adam cable. Oh. And I became up to take a million.
We decided to leave you for so long so that you will have the freedom to make your choice of sacrifice. You must keep to your promise, depending on how and when you want to do it.
The most important thing is that I did everything directly and I was able to do what my friend can do. So it's fine. Thank you very much.
Now, let's get down to business. This is the most critical part. You still have the calabash? Good. Take some money and put it inside that calabash. Then, carefully carry the calabash and place it inside your cash drawer. That calabash is the force of attraction. Do you understand?
Yeah, sure.
When you put money inside that cash drawer, the spirit only multiplies.
But I have a concern though. Will the calabash, won't that be exposed like a drawer? Because my boys have access to it as well.
Place the drawer in your own office.
Oh, right.
Yes. Then make sure it has the key. Always lock it. Do you understand?
Yeah, it makes sense.
Do you understand?
Very well.
Good. Now let me repeat it one more time. Take some money, place inside the calabash, carry the calabash and place inside the cash drawer. You know, we human beings, we believe in addition, but the spirit believes in multiplication. 3 plus 3 is 6, but 3 times 3 is 9. So the spirit gives more than we human beings can offer. It is what it is.
Thank you so much. In fact, I cannot overemphasize how grateful I am, but I can't express it. I'm truly grateful.
It's okay, my brother. I can't wait to see you bounce back. Do you understand? But please, have this in mind. This particular deity we are dealing with is ruthless. Remember to keep to your words. This deity is different from other deities. It grips anyone that fails to keep his or her words. Understood?
Very well. Obiora, my son. Obiora. I go to my elders.
My son, Obiora. You are a true son of your father.
I hope you're all good.
We are. You see that I find you. Your mother just served us with a delicious meal, and we're satisfied.
With Ofo Nuboka Walakao.
In that case, I have to see her inside.
Okay. Please, tell our phone who me sell and that chicken is like for but I have an area. We to grease the man.
Mama.
Father, they are gone.
What's going on here? Why the sudden change of attitude?
Those ones. But I told you I would handle them. Eh? Not to worry, they'll be going with you for the meeting tomorrow. And they will give you all the support that you need. And the meeting is by 12 noon at Japana late.
So, why were they making my life miserable? Why have they been frustrating me?
Not to worry, your mother knows how to handle them. Those useless men. Please, let's not talk about them. What would you like to eat?
Mom, I'm hungry. What did you prepare?
Something special that you would like.
Onubo.
How did you know?
Of course you are my mother.
Oh,
I don't want that. Those food. They were hungry indeed.
Oh, they were the ones that told you.
Come on.
Hungry indeed. Nah, guess what? Hey, I gave them okra lele. Oh. You know that okra was going to pass.
Are you serious?
And they thought it was onubu. Now la chaka, now la chimi. Osa bulufa.
Mama.
How would I give them the onubu meant for my son? Let's go.
I did, Mama.
Why then is he not here?
But I believe he will be here by God's grace.
God's grace? What do you mean by God's grace? Huh? Tell me, what do you mean by God's grace?
He's here.
Mama, good afternoon. Odina, how are you?
I'm fine, Mama. I thought you won't come again.
Nah. What kept you?
Engagement, Mama. You know I'm very busy. I'm not like this, your jobless son here.
Let us pray. Almighty God, maker of mankind and giver of life, we commit this moment unto your care. Come and take lead in this meeting. In Jesus' mighty name.
Amen.
Hey, my friend, sit very well. Don't break this chair. I know how much I bought this chair. Don't break it. My friend, sit very well.
Can you afford a notebook? You know how much you bought me. Keep quiet. Mama, see, let us go straight to business, please. I came here to make it clear to each and every one of us that there will be no peace in this family if your son did not bring out the document for that house at Onitsha. We are going to sell that house and share the money equally. And that is on period.
Ah, what fool? Tell what? This is what I'm there. Huh? Over my dead body, will anyone sell that house? Papa made a promise to him that nobody will sell that house. And you're giving condition. What stupid condition? If that is the only condition you're giving here for peace to reign, for reconciliation, peace will be you're a Feduba, and the first son of this house, I will not be alive and watch dead man's wish being violated. My father's wish can never be violated. Get out!
Mama, did you hear your backing son? Did you hear him? Yes! Look at him. Talking nonsense. Well, let me make it clear again and again. If Anayo does not bring out that document, there will be no peace in this house. There will be no peace in this house. And that is on period. I will keep saying it, oh.
Father said the house should not be sold. Eh? Can't you respect that?
What are you feeling like? As the chief of this family, eh? As the messiah of this family, what are you feeling like? If I hear pin from your mouth, I will bury you alive.
You can't do nothing. When billionaires are talking, riffraffs like you will open your mouth and talk. One, go and Google my name. Do you know the popular blogger called Tunde Ednut? He even posted me as the second richest young man in the eastern part of Nigeria. You know,
I have money. So much money. I will shut you up. I will shut you up. What will you do? What can you do, my friend? Look at you.
Are you not bothered that you and your brother are not walking in the same trajectory? Eh?
Mama, you're beginning to upset me. Everyone is beginning to get on my nerves in this house, and I will not tolerate it anymore. I gave your son Anayo a condition. If he's ready to play along, no problem. But if he's not, let him stay on his lane. Is that too much to ask?
He's done with school and wants to learn a trade. How do you go about it? Eh?
I had a discussion with Obina. You can go ahead and ask him what we discussed.
Oh, try and reconsider this peace talk. If people should not kill me before my time. Eh?
See, I urge you to talk to your son Anayo, okay? I have important business to attend to. Please. I have important things to do, please.
Listen to me for once, Mama. Listen to me for once. You always come up with this same question. Talk to your son. It's impact.
Yeah, hello. I'm Mr. Chigozie. How are you? It's been a long time. I've been trying to reach you on the phone. Yeah, it's alright. Yeah, I'm in town. Are you in town? Oh, that's good. Anyways, okay. Something came up. Actually, I made up my mind to set up a business in my son's name. Oil and gas. Yeah, I just left my engineer's office. Yeah, we were looking into the quotation. Yeah. Of course, we're starting immediately. I was expecting that. Thank you, my brother. Thank you. It's all right. Why don't we meet up later in the day? It's okay. Hit me up then. Take care. Bye.
I don't need to ask how both of you are doing. Afulum no we kwolu. Eh? Aru amaka si unu. Ya na nwa m if kwa no ko silisie nni ole ebulie.
So Mama, how are you doing now? How is everything?
Nam, if you go no. I am fine.
How do
you? By His grace. So if I na your bundon do ogologo na aru isi ike ogbo.
God will definitely give us good health.
Amen.
Everything is well. There's nothing without God.
Of course. Adam, Mama. Adam. Ogom. Nni aili. Ojukwa gị ka ị chọrọ ọzọ?
Ekwule, chọrọ ọzọ gị. Ị chọziri chọrọ ga eji example as broom from this book. Eri go in fact, abum so na ga-abanwe na moto. Eri atọka.
Akwọlụ m aka wee sinya bụ nni.
Mama atọka. In fact, Mama, ekwule, this food, even the otenji dorozi balance. How the enjoyment in just me na. Amadu mo tenge je kude ku. In fact, the food is so. In fact, those is not delicious. The more than delicious. Thank you very much. Almost there.
You're welcome.
You can see more than a year. The last one like a mom silim. I have not had such meal before.
Honey, Ada, is that true?
You mean outside my house?
Hey,
outside my house.
Because I taught her well.
You go carry me can get bedroom. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Okay. I want you to have this coconut. Chew it. In case of any trials where you're going to, like if somebody sends anything, negativity towards you, anything that will kill you or hurt you or harm you, this will neutralize it.
Mama, this seems diabolic.
Yeah, it's not diabolic. Now, let me ask you a question. Or your mother would deceive her only child Is it possible?
No, Mama. I'm just wondering.
I wonder, Zina. Chew it. I prayed over it. Eh?
So, how do I open this?
Oh, yes, now open it. Case here, may not. Eat it. Catch up if any. Nyam. Oh no, sorry. Oh, makano kola no tibo. Oh, candy kajala kaja. Be on your way, because.
What happened to this one?
Finish it now. Mama. Finish it. Besides, it gives you energy. Caffeine.
I don't understand. Why didn't you tell me my father had a documented agreement?
I don't understand.
Look, Mama, Anna, you brought a document that my father and his father signed in the presence of some elders. Yes, it's true. I didn't know my father's signature. That's why I couldn't say anything.
Hold this. Hold this.
Just stay. What is this?
Is this the same signature that you saw?
Mama, this was the same signature I saw.
Good. This is a document that your father signed just before the trial.
How can we reconcile this, Mama?
How can we reconcile it? Double generation only. I'm awful. You people are bad. You can form anybody's signature. Eh? And everyone will believe. What's going on when you do?
I thought as much.
No, there's no point thinking. Go out there and get what rightfully belongs to you. Don't allow people to take it away from you. Eh?
So Anna, you're fooling me, Mama.
Odogwago. Now see, I think I thought.
Hey. God has finally shamed my enemies.
Yes, sir.
Uchechi is a very wicked person.
She's surprised.
Hey! Oh, thank you too for fighting this cause to the end.
Mama, I told you no one born of a woman can touch any member of this household and go scot-free.
That is over, my son. The problem we have at hand is between you and your brother. Now tell me your mother. What exactly is the issue between you and your senior brother? Eh?
Mama, ask your first son. He's in a better position to answer that question.
Nam, dear mama, please talk to your mother. What is going on? Eh? Talk to me.
Ask your so-called stupid billionaire. You should answer that question.
Anna, you are a stupid person.
You are a mad
man.
You are
an idiot.
You are a foolish man.
You are a nincompoop.
I'm a man, okay?
You're foolish.
Idiot.
You and that
Keep
your
quiet.
good for nothing wife.
Hey!
Nonsense.
Look at you. You and your Mbise wife are foolish and stupid.
Oh, look at you. You've forgotten that your wife is also from Mbise.
Is my wife better than your own wife?
Sense.
What is wrong with you?
She was brought up in the
village.
Your Mbise wife.
Yes. My wife.
Yeah, too. Don't let me lose.
Lose what? Lose what?
Idiot.
You look loose already.
Get out, my friend.
You look loose.
Get out.
So you want to
Get
stop
out of this place.
Eh? Your elder brother.
Rubbish.
What is wrong with you, Chukode?
Mama, this one here is mentally unstable.
Hey.
Agavu.
Hell.
Mama, enough of this nonsense. I have better things to do in the city. But let me remind you, Mama. You see your son, Anayo. He has always been a selfish, egocentric, and self-centered human being. Have you forgotten so soon? How I used to serve Anayo and his wife. In the morning, I will wash his car. I will do the house chores. Then I ask Anayo, my elder brother, to lend me small money, chickily money, to start up a business. He refused. I asked Papa, we should sell the house at Onitsha. Papa agreed. This same Anayo disagreed. Now look at him. He feels so intimidated by my presence. Mama, see, I don't have time for this cock and bull story. My business partners are waiting for me there in the city. I am on my way to the city right now. If you need anything, call me on the phone. I am your son. After all, you are my only mother. And Obinna, tell him if he needs anything, call Bom na phone. I will answer. I will send whatever you want. I need to take my leave now. Akam no oko mapugo. If you need anything, just call me and send it over.
Are you going to leave me in this condition? Hey!
Now, how did you go?
Mama, look, they have given the land to them, warning us not to step our foot into that land again, and that if we do, we'll have them to contend with.
What did Okolo and Solomon do?
What else would they have done? When a man from the local government came with the survey document, all signed, Mama, the evidence here was too clear.
And where are they now?
I dropped them off.
Let me ask you a question. At the last meeting, did Chukwudi sit all through, or did he stand up at any point in time?
He never stood up. He sat all through. Anayo was the one doing. Anayo did the whole talk. He didn't stand up. He sat down there all through.
You know what?
Why did you ask?
Do not accept their ruling. You understand what I'm saying? You have to take them to court. You must take back what rightfully belongs to you. You must take it back.
I'm angry. I'm angry, Mom. I'm angry.
Action! 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 We move! Voice factor! I'm already angry. Channel that anger into energy and move!
Mama, see you.
If not for you, what would I have done in this life? If not for your help, what could I have done in this life? You have shown me love, you believe in me, you support me. God bless you for me. It shall be well with you. I give full of nanya. One more. What has come over you? Oh, you are not to be trusted anymore. You made yourself wearing sheep clothing because of envy. You have made yourself available for Satan to use on the one man. Why can't you allow the sleeping dog to lie? When if I fatara nese and they chukwana for manja and makeso lo tawa e Joshua koko a chobi isi oju e chebe no zuo marakwa ibu ichi aburo ide uli manja. One day, onye ji okwute abụọ wee na-etiraki bụkwadị ọbara ụgani anyị ugwu ajọka jide nke gị rapụ nke m anyị biri n'udo anyị ugwu ajọka anyị jide nke gị rapụ nke m anyị biri n'udo ekwere ajọka anyị jide nke gị rapụ nke m Obiama Jaka, and you put in.
Honey, it's unlike it. I'm so marveled about the sales we made today. I'm happy.
There's a secret in there. In a shop. Whatever you want, you come to the shop and again. Everywhere, so what is it that you will get to our shop that you will not see? What do you expect? So we're going to keep selling. As a matter of fact, sweetheart, today, this sale is just the beginning. Yes. Sunday, this is the beginning. Yes.
Honey, I pray so. I'm happy. Seeing things move the way it's supposed to be. So excited.
You can say that again, my dear. The truth is that I'm so happy as well. But I'm thinking of something. I'm really wondering if it's going to be okay for us to get a nanny for Junior. As you can see, with the way the business is going, we really need someone to help. Because I don't want Junior to feel less cared for. So, as things are going well, we can pay a nanny. We have everything it takes to pay a nanny. So why not?
Okay. Honey, you have a point there. But for now, you just need to let it. Hmm? It's okay. Let me go and make dinner for you.
Please do. I'm very hungry.
Gina, will you stay with your daddy or you go with me? You go with me, right? Okay. Yeah.
Gina has really tried.
Oh, thank you.
My babies.
Honey.
That's my princess. How are you, princess?
Babe.
How are you? Daddy.
Babe.
So much.
Babe. Your wife.
And so?
Maybe I'm taking your money like, oh.
Can't you see how my princess is looking at you? She'll be like, what's wrong with this one? What's wrong with this one? What's wrong with mommy?
Don't mind that, you okay?
Oh, my beautiful princess. Oh, babe, guess what?
Oh, you have come again with this, so guess. What is it this time?
And you have never guessed right for what?
Yes, tell me what that.
Okay. Anyways, I have the good news. Okay. We all will be going to Dubai for vacation next week. Have I ever lied to you?
Babe!
I said we're going to Dubai for vacation.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
And my baby right here will be celebrating her birthday in Dubai as well.
Oh, baby.
Okay?
That's so sweet. Thank you.
It's alright, my girl. Yeah, your daddy is right here. I love you too, baby.
This sense is a bit encouraging.
Oh, seriously?
Yes.
Yeah, I can see anyway.
You have made a lot.
Yeah, that's serious. I'm really happy. I really hope it really continues. I hope it continues like this. I really, really hope. Because, you know, all this while, I've noticed it's been up and down. And I'm really getting so frustrated, honey, because I served my boss well. I learned everything I need to learn in the business. And still nothing to show for it. Today is this way, tomorrow is this way. I am tired. I'm getting really tired. I'm really getting tired.
Honey, you know, there's always a trying time in every man's life. And this is one.
You're correct. You're very, very right.
I believe we'll come over it. Let's thank God for today. At least we have made much. Let's thank Him.
You're right. But I'm really hoping it continues because...
it will.
If it happens like today, tomorrow, next tomorrow, fine. But what's the need? Because we cannot keep going up, down. It's sometimes we'll have a child there, we'll have a family, we have something to plan for. Mama is there expecting, so it's really going to be.
Yeah, I understand. God will do it for us. God
You're such a very encouraging wife. Thank you very much. What can I do without you?
What can I do without you?
Thank you so much for the kind of wife you are. You're such a wonderful, industrious wife indeed.
And you too. Thank you for being there for me.
Thank you very much. You're welcome. I always love you.
I love you too.
Thank you.
Come here.
Thank you. You're trying too much. You're sweet. Thank you very much. We're going to the market to see Ozo.
Okay.
Yeah, I need to get some money from to see if there's any money paid in because I need to see what
Okay.
Then if that young man that came here, just left here, if he comes, he has some things there. You'll see it back to one side.
Okay.
Yeah, just let him take it.
Alright. Okay.
I know.
No, now you
Okay,
trust me.
Okay, I trust you.
You trust me.
Alright,
Alright.
okay, Bunny. Alright, thank you. Okay.
Alright.
Madam the mother.
Honey.
Let's go take it.
This one you're laughing. Coming from rehearsal with your dance group. I guess you just remembered some dance steps.
Mama.
Abia.
Mama.
But when you were younger, you were such a good dancer.
Mama, once a soldier, always a soldier, even in death.
No, you're just talking like your father. He would never admit it. So what do you?
Mama, can a lion give birth to a goat?
Abomination. Abomination, especially in my case. So, no. Hey.
Well, Mama, see, I'll be going back to Lagos tomorrow.
Oh, Getia.
Yes, my agent called me earlier today. He said the goods we've been expecting just arrived.
Oh, great.
So I have to go to Lagos to clear the goods now,
That's a good one. Be careful. Just be very, very careful and very cautious of anything around you. When you get there, you make your mother proud.
I will always make you proud. Mama, let me go in and freshen up so that I can come back to this thing you are doing here.
By the time you're done, offense me again, you go. Hey. When he was young, on our one cake leg, or to one left or to right, he did the bomber. Oh, wow, you can need everything.
My brother, even if my Monday is busy, I will definitely make that time for that job. We all know that the spirit controls the physical. So we have to do the right thing so that this business I'm about to venture into will go successful. Sure. All right. Thank you so much, my brother. I really do appreciate it. And see ya. Bye. Nandi. Dochuku. Come.
You are welcome to the family. Now listen. You must not sleep with any other woman except your wife. This is your new habitation. Serve your own well. You must not lock the door and the windows at the same time. Because Obi goes out and comes back at will.
Wise one, the tea is already late. How will you go? How will you go? Jesus!
Have you sold the remaining cable?
Yes. Yeah, okay, what did they talk to? No, Oga, 50,000 I fee pay for that, you know. I will tell you. No. Oga, see, the price I'm giving you, check in our level shop. You will not get it at that rate. Okay, see what happened. Take it for 75,000.
What about junction box?
Size remaining 2 bundles. See what will happen, eh? I'll pay 70. Let me just pay 70 just because of you, my customer. Let me pay 70.
What does he want to buy?
6 bundles of trunking pipe.
6 bundles of trunking pipe. How much do you want to pay?
Okay, I want to pay 70.
It's okay. Give it to me.
You follow me now so you can match that.
Hello, Chief. Oh, yes, Chief. The problem has been rectified. Yes, I have access to the goods now. Oh, sure. Look, Chief, I want to say very big thank you to you, sir. Okay, yes, I will send my boys to deliver the goods to the company that have paid. Thank you very much, Chief. Thank you very much, Chief. I appreciate, Chief. I appreciate. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Wow, this is good.
Chukwudi, since you have decided to play a fast one on me, I will show you that I am stronger than you. What's going on? Who does he worship? Which God?
Honey, you want me to go to your brother again for money and goods? Not even either. Because it's useless for me. As a matter of fact, the more I go there for money, the more I go there for goods, the more things are getting worse by the day.
Honey, we have to keep going to him until things get better. Where else do you want us to go when I have someone like Chukwudi?
Can you hear yourself talk, honey? Like, seriously? So we have to still keep going to the same place, doing the same thing on and on with the same results, and you're expecting something different to happen? I'm not going to do that. The more we go there, the more things are getting worse. How do you reconcile this?
Wait, honey. What are you insinuating? That my brother's money is not clean? What nonsense are you talking about? After all he has been doing for us? Honey, I'm disappointed at you.
You're sounding so, in fact, very ignorant about the whole thing. Like, seriously, ever since we've been getting money, borrowing money, or whatever the case will be from your brother, nothing has really happened. It has been from bad to worse. And what do you have to say about, what do you think about this? You have to be critically, kind of think critically about this whole thing. Reconcile it all. Not about sentiment of your brother. No, it's not about it. And you're making me sound as if I'm kind of an ungrateful kind. It's not the case. It's a matter of us seeing what is going on to think if there is something for us to do. Other than going to do the same thing over and over, having to say, look at us. Don't be sentimental about this whole thing. For example, last time you're the one who talked about the socket and the wire stuff. You called me to notice. And now you're acting ignorant and kind of blind to it because it's your brother. We don't have to employ sentiment here. Let's just be frank with ourselves. Tell ourselves the truth. We can't keep doing the same thing. Let's call a spade a spade. We can't keep doing the same thing over and over and over. For goodness sake. I can't keep doing this. Look at me. Today I get money from him. Tomorrow the money is nowhere. We even find it difficult to pay back. And you're talking about insinuation and all this. I'm not being ungrateful here. You're making me sound as if I'm kind of ungrateful. That's not the matter. You're my wife. We have a family. Junior is here. And we can't continue like this.
Okay, I've heard you. I'll meet him. But this time, I'll put my mind on it.
to observe and see things for myself. Then I'll know what next to do. But for the now, I'll still meet him for help. Junior and I will be inside.
There's something very important I would like to discuss with you.
What is it, Mama?
In short, there's no point beating about the bush. See, I want you to get married. You don't understand. You're my only child. I need you to, and I don't want you staying alone. You got that?
Oh, that's...
Oh yes, that. And I mean that. You get yourself a wife, you give me grandchildren. Come from one, then you also get yourself an heir.
Mama, you are right. You know, since I came back, I haven't had time for myself. Okay, Mama, see, let's do it this way. You will get a very nice girl for me. Then, I'm good. Any girl you just mentioned, Mama, I'm good.
It is serious.
Ah, Mama, you are permitted.
Should get you a wife. Hey! Okwa bugon ke fa na cousin na ni na wedding. Nekwa ka na agba akwụkwọ n'esia no mwazi edwebe niile. Nekwa.